Hello, guys. Hello, hello. Yeah, let's go. Oh, you cannot see me, I guess, right? Because I cannot see myself as well. Guys, can you hear me? Just to make sure. Sounds too low. Okay, what about this? Better? You can see me. Okay, okay. Sound is good, right? Mic is low. Okay, okay, okay. Um, well, perfect. Oh, face. A face. It's not face reveal, by the way, anymore. Give me 1 second. I'm going to set my camera right now. For some reason, I cannot see myself as well. What about this? Can you see me? Face reveal today. Actually, I revealed my face, I guess, a couple of weeks ago. Guys, can you see me? Can you hear me? Now good. Perfect. That's perfect. Nice. That's our first stream finally. So, I hope I'm going to stream, I guess, 3 times a week. I hope so. That's nice. Okay. Okay, what time it is? It's like 9:19. Okay, we still have 10 minutes until 9:30. Okay, okay. Perfect. Yeah, let's see if we can get some trades today. More education. Okay, yeah, actually, yeah, that's a good idea. I'm going to work about on this. So let's see. Actually, I'm going to cover lots of topics in our stream. So usually I prefer to forward test. I actually hate to forward back test. So every single time when I'm trying to teach something, I teach with current price action, not what happened already. Yeah, it's time to stream finally, so why not? Why not? Well, guys, let's talk about price action. So we still have 10 minutes, but let's prepare ourselves for this market. Okay, yesterday I was in long trade. In PM session, I went long, I guess it was 1:30 p.m. I went long and my target was yesterday New York midnight open. I stopped out at break even. That's fine. But with this CPI release, as you yesterday New York midnight open was 222, I guess, somewhere right here. So of course it delivered today, but that's fine. So today with this CPI release, we can see we got move up, but it's okay. So it doesn't mean like we should go up at the open right away. So my plan for now is to see a possible retracement down to discount somewhere near New York midnight open, preferable in both ES and NQ. And as long as ES and NQ above New York midnight open, I would like to consider long. Why actually would like to consider long? Because high time frame, let me open actually. Hey, what is going on? Because high time frame is still bullish, so no reason to see and look for possible like huge expansion down, but it's okay to see the retracement down. For example, we got liquidity right here. We got possible weekly immediate rebalance right here, but at this moment, I still would like to be bullish. Just on high time frame, because high time frame structure is still bullish. As you can see, we got break of structure, we got move up, we got the closure above this break of structure, so it's obviously bullish. So, but it doesn't mean like we cannot short at all. No, we can actually short. But at this moment, as long as NQ above New York midnight open, I am not interested in shorts at all. So possibly I will look for possible short setup below New York midnight open to aim for previous day low level, but at this moment, as you can see, we're above this level, no interest. Yes, of course. Yes, I trade power of 3. So yes, of course, I trade standard deviation projections. I use manipulation leg. And yesterday we stuck at between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation. So yeah. At this moment, just not interested in shorts because yes, in Q above New York midnight open. But once we can break below this level, I can look for possible short, I guess. Just once again, a high timeframe structure still bullish, so we will see. Yesterday, by the way, I missed the short trade, and I'm not like really disappointed with the short trade, but my plan was, as you can see, we got previous day high right here. We run above Asia high. We took this weekly open. But you know what is funny right here? I wanted to see exactly the same short, but my plan yesterday was to see move right here and exactly the same short. Okay, I missed this trade. That's fine. Break even actually yesterday. Not really break even, like made around like $200. It's okay. So let's see if we made a trace to New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. Actually, just would like to see the trace on back to discount. How you use equilibrium of previous range? That's a great question. Did you watch my video about this? It's a video about intraday bias, if I'm not mistaken. Did you watch this? Probably not, because you asked this question. Not yet. So I actually covered this topic there. So you can watch, and if after watching this video you're going to have some questions, you can ask them. Yeah. Actually, I explained that. So we still have 7 more minutes. We'll see, we'll see. Yes, exactly. I covered this in pre-market plan video and intraday bias, but latest video about intraday bias, I covered this more detailed, I guess. As long as ES and NQ above New York midnight open, I am bullish. Just once again, if you can break below this level, I may start looking for possible short setup. I'm going to stream guess until 12 p.m. So next 2 hours with you guys. So basically, you can watch standard deviation projections, especially when standard deviation projections lines up with high timeframe level. You can watch for possible smart money reversal. So totally depends on PD array. For example, if we run premium array, it can be, let's say, breaker block on 1 hour chart. You can start looking for possible 1 minute market maker sell model after this. So once again, you don't want to look for a reversal from nowhere. You must reach some sort of levels, high timeframe levels. It can be, once again, old liquidity level, previous week high, for example. It can be 1 hour breaker block as we have right here. So we can actually see the action from here. But in order to trade this, we need to have smart money reversal, any confirmations. So in my opinion, in order to have smart money reversal right here from this breaker block, we need to get change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, and then, yeah, we can look possible short. Of course, you can like enter right at the top, for example, turtle soup entry, but I don't like it. So for me, it's not like low risk sell. I prefer to have confirmation, for example, change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, or we can have inversion fair value gap and change in the state of delivery, and you can trade it. No, in order to, you asked me about, you take daily candle from midnight to midnight, right? Depends on what you're trying to find. For equilibrium of previous day range, or from previous day high, previous day low level. I'm going to show you grace breaker block in 1 minute. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys right now. Just want to make sure I answered question about New York midnight open. Okay. No response right here. Okay, in order to find equilibrium of previous range, you want to find the range between New York midnight open and New York midnight open. So basically, use these vertical lines right here. It's easy to use, guys. Free to use as well. So see this range right here, midnight, midnight. So you want to find high and low. Sometimes, once again, it lines up with previous day high, previous day low level. Then you want to use this fib retracement tool, measure from high to low, from low to high. It's up to you how you want to use this. Then 50% is going to be your equilibrium of previous day range. Make sense? Easy, right? Okay, for previous day high, previous day low level, once again, it's up to you, but I use daily candle. Daily candle starts at 6 p.m. Okay, that's a great question, how to use change in the state of delivery. Okay, some people, everyone uses differently. So maybe even ICT uses differently. I'm not going to argue with this. But how I use this change in the state of delivery? So actually, I guess real question, how many candles do I need to use for this change in the state of delivery? Okay, let's say we reach high-timeframe PDRA. Let's I don't know, 4-hour fair value gap. Okay, if this fair value gap, like not huge range fair value gap, for example, let me show you guys. Let's say we got for, oh my God, let me turn this off. Let's say this is for our fair value gap, okay? Let's say it's not like huge range, it's not like 100 points fair value gap on NQ. So since this is 4-hour fair value gap, who knows what low time frame we want to use in order to look for possible smart money reversal? Who knows? Is it like 1 minute chart? Maybe 2-minute chart? Maybe 5-minute chart? Maybe 15-minute chart? Who knows? Any guesses? I see lots of people said like 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart. Yes, that's 5-minute chart, exactly. And lots of traders, such as, for example, a market. No, it's MMXM trade. Trader, right? So he uses 15-minute chart. I guess Dexter also uses 15-minute chart, but I use 5-minute chart. That's right. That's the right question, guys. I see you watch my videos. That's nice. So you want, since, for example, we reach 4-hour PDRA, we want to use 5-minute structure. We want to use 5-minute chart to find smart money reversal. So this means you asked me about recording. I guess YouTube is going to record this. So it should be there, I guess. I hope so. So for 5-minute chart, let's talk about this change in the state of delivery, because I can forget about this, guys. Let me finish this question. A 5-minute chart. Since we reach 4-hour PDRA, we want to use 5 minutes to find change in the state of delivery, market structure shift, any signs of reversal, smart money reversal. Okay, how to find order block? If, for example, once again, let's say this for our fair value gap, not a huge fair value gap, like not 100 points fair value gap, but like regular fair value gap, 30-40 points. This means on 5-minute chart, you want to find the very first candle, up close candle that reach this fair value gap. For example, let's say we got closure below this fair value gap. It can be down close candle, it can be up close candle, but we are looking for very first up close candle that reaches 4-hour PDRA, for our fair value gap. And let's say we got, I'm not going to draw weeks, okay, guys? Just like, don't want to spend too much time on this. But you got this idea. Let's say we got first candle right here that reaches candle, and let's say we got second candle right here. Like this. So we can see we got 2 up close candles in a row right here, right? But this candle, first candle, was the very first candle that reaches for fair value gap. This means I'm going to use 2 candles right here as my change in the state of delivery. But let's say we reach this for our fair value gap, then we immediately reversed like this. Only 1 candle is going to be changed in the state of delivery at this point. But another question, let's say we got huge fair value gap right here. Obviously, we may continue going up. like this. So at this point, you want to use very first candle, up close candle that reach 50% of this fair value gap. And that candle, for example, let's say we reach for 50% of this fair value gap, then we reversed. You want to use the very first candle that reaches 50% of this fair value gap. Make sense? I hope it's not that hard. Okay. Market is open, so I just realized this. Still would like to see New York midnight open on NQ. Consider possible trade. Okay, let me read your question. Can we trade together? Of course, we're going to trade together if you're going to get any setup, guys. We are going to trade top step X today. Okay, of course we can get reaction from this fair value gap on high time frame, but our main question at this point, did we get any change in the state of delivery, any signs of smart money reversal? Of course, the action can be offered, but for example, it may offer a fake change in the state of delivery. This means we may continue going higher. That's easy. Well. I want to highlight this fair value gap because this fair value gap lines up with equilibrium of previous day range. Still above New York midnight open. Fair value gap. To be honest, still would like to see New York midnight open because usually when we have CPI release, we may see retracement back to New York midnight open right at the open between like 9:30 and 9:45. So let's see. Interesting. Even if I want to consider reversal, because we may get reversal from the range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation of this manipulation leg, I would like to see this range somewhere right here near New York midnight open. Still failed. Okay. Okay. I'm going to wait because I don't want to take any trades without test of this New York midnight open yet. 1 minute chart. Where is my 1 minute chart? Right here. Okay. Pretty choppy yet. Still. You asked me about do you do live streams every day? I guess we can start streaming like 3 times a week. I'm going to stream tomorrow as well. So tomorrow is Thursday, right? Yeah. Wednesday, Thursday, maybe Friday. I don't really like to trade Friday, but maybe it's going to be perfect price action. We are going to trade it. So if I want to trade, I'm going to trade micros, and I guess I want to trade 10 or 15 micros. That's a question. I guess 10 micros. We will start with 10 micros and we will see. Still, guys, waiting for New York midnight open. For some reason, I feel like we need to retrace a little bit lower. Okay, I want to open SPX on my side screen and CL chart because we might trade oil today if oil is going to be much better than NQ today. I need to open this chart. Okay, CL. 5-minute chart. Yeah, let's see. Delete this. Okay, let me read your question. Okay, guys, that's a great question. If you're going to close below New York midnight open, from my intraday bias video, remember, if 15-minute candle can close below New York midnight open, we can wait for the retracement back up to 2-minute fair value gap. Bearish fair value gap, obviously. And then we can short. Another confirmation for us, at least we can confirm entry. Okay, guys. Let's see. We got the test of London high. Actually, we got RTHD test, right? Important liquidity level. Just would like to see the test of New York midnight open. Kind of not confident with long trade yet. I will wait a little bit more. Just would like to see slightly lower. Okay, CL. Oh, by the way, let me open stat map so we will see. Maybe we can. So that's hard to see, right? Let's make huge this. Usually, oh, much better. Okay. I forgot to check this. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, yeah, that's solid move right here. So we should test New York midnight open even with this confirmation. Okay, let me check this daily levels. Give me 1 second. And okay, here we go. We got daily, VDG's manipulation level, reaction. We got small 15-minute inversion right here. Yeah, New York midnight open lines up with any levels right here. Okay, we should take it, in my opinion. That's 2-minute chart. Okay. Yes. Yes. The test of 4-hour open right here. So we got 4-hour manipulation. We got 5-minute and 2-minute inversion. Come on, New York midnight open. Come on, take this level. Yes, pretty much balanced part right here so far. I mean, right here, this leg down. Even, guys, even if I want to look for confirmation to long right now, I need to have inversion right here. From this, we're open nothing here yet, so. Guys, I'm very picky with my entries, so sometimes I don't have trades at all, even when we got perfect setup for example, move up or down. I'm very picky with my trade, so if not going to present what I want to see, I'm not going to take it, just because I anticipate to get something. It's kind of, stupid for me to look for setup and like, okay, we got move up. Let's say we got move up, but we don't, I don't have setup for this. I'm not going to take it because I only anticipate to see something. No. If no setup, no trades. That's it. I just must follow my plan. I must follow my rules. No FOMO, guys. Forget about this. Waiting for New York midnight open. Finally. Thank you. Like, what's the problem to do this like 10 minutes ago? That's 15-minute fair value, but obviously we don't have closure below this yet, right? Not yet. Okay. Hello, hello. 1 minute chart. Pretty choppy so far. Okay. Okay. Okay, why? Because sometimes we have difference with levels when you use M and Q, but I use NQ. But we can actually compare settings. So check your calculation method, maybe somewhere different with me, because some people use this. I use min right here. And if you use M and Q, try to use NQ for these levels. Maybe that's the difference. That's the difference, actually. I don't know. Maybe this. Sometimes I also can see difference. For example, as you can see, I use NQ, but when people use NQZ, yeah, okay, that's actually different. Okay, so far the action from New York midnight opens, that's pretty much nice for us. reaction from this retracement reversal range, but still not enough for me to just jump long. I don't want to blindly, you know, press buy button right here. No reason for this yet. No reason for this yet. I'm going to open 2-minute chart right here. Okay, I have 5 minutes for order block right here. Okay, let's see. Back on 1-minute chart. Still trying to react from this 15-minute fair value because we don't have any closure below this yet. For our open, that's all. Actually, all I need is just inversion fair value gap, but we didn't have any. Okay. We don't have order blocks. We have nothing actually yet to enter the trade. Okay. Because it's fair value gap right here. Still means nothing for me because we don't have change in the state of delivery. Where can be potential inversion? No, nothing. Actually, I can find one on 5-minute chart, small one. Okay, I used New York midnight open for my bias today. So once again, as long as I above this level, sweep doesn't count. We are bullish. So, but once again, don't blindly press long buy button because like we swept this level. It doesn't mean like we may like push 100 points higher. Not at all. Wait for setup. You can get, for example, change in the state of delivery your setup. You can have, in my opinion, I don't want to use 1-minute chart for an inversion for a volley gap, but 2-minute, yeah. But nothing on 2-minute chart yet. Let's wait change in the state of delivery formation, at least on 5-minute chart. This one. Because still inside scissors, order block right here, still trying to hold this, but once we can invalidate this with closure above this week, then it can be at least first sign of bullishness and continuation higher to this breaker block. We'll see. So we will see. So far, perfect reaction from this range. We usually call this like retracement reversal range. This one, okay, 1-minute chart. As you can see, we stuck inside 15-minute bullish fair value gap. This means high-timeframe level, and for 15-minute chart, we want to use also 1-minute chart for any signs of smart money reversal. So we don't have any yet. Yes, offered RCH test of 1-hour bearish fair value gap. So far, this red box is 1-hour fair value gap. Right here, big range as you can see, but still fair value gap. Yeah, my recommendation to use ES for your analysis when you want to take trades on NQ. Always. You know, since we don't have any signs of smart money reversal, I'm not ready to say like this is low risk buy right here yet, because no confirmed change in the state of delivery. I don't recommend. I don't want to take this long trade from this fair value gap yet. Don't really like it. Yeah, pretty choppy at this moment, so waiting more. I don't really like it so far. Once again, since we don't have any signs of change, smart money reversal, I'm not trying to say like this is a low risk buy fair value gap. We'll wait more. I don't like it yet. CL, let me check CL. CL still nothing good, right? I mean, it already offered the main move in my opinion. Guys, we're also going to trade CL if it's going to present setup, so not only in Q or ES, okay? Or even gold. Gold. Also going to keep my eyes on this level, on levels on gold right now. Nothing I like. SPX has small gap, so let's see if it wants to try to fill this gap. I don't trade Forex, guys, at all. Yes, I'm going to record a separate video about stat map, but also I guess I can cover this inside live stream as well, so I don't like to trade him as well, so it's kind of not for me. That's trading view. That's pretty much it. And if I'm going to trade something, I'm going to trade on top step X today. That's it. When at 5-minute chart, what do you mean? Another test of New York midnight open, as I said, since we did not get any signs of smart money reversals, this fair value gap is not going to be low risk buy for us. Perfect. We continue waiting more. With our first standard deviation lines up with nothing, right? London low. Okay. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I want to ask you questions. Who can answer that? If you can answer, that's going to be amazing. So see reaction from 5-minute fair value gap. Okay, my question for you guys. Any guesses? Don't be shy to be wrong. Okay, my question. Let's say we can see ES in premium, while in Q in deep discount. What we want to anticipate at this point? Who knows? What usually we want to anticipate when we see ES in deep, not really like deep premium, stuck in between like equilibrium and premium, and in Q in deep discount. What usually happens? What we want to anticipate to see at this point? Don't tell me like SMT. ES in discount right now, in Q in deep, no, ES in premium, in Q in deep discount. What will happen? What will happen at this point? Who knows? We don't know. I see right answers, by the way. Okay, usually we want losing trade. Okay. Usually we want to anticipate to see in Q lower. In Q we'll try to break the low or you test the rejection block in order to bring ES to premium. So this means we will see ES in not in premium, in discount. We will see ES in discount, but in Q at this point we'll try to break the low or the test rejection block. So at this point, what we can see. Oh, here we. Oh, let's see how random it is. See this rejection block. That's why I hide this chart from you guys. See this rejection block. I don't know how it works, but that's so funny to see. the test of rejection block or liquidity level. So when, for example, NQ already broke below equilibrium, but ES still in discount, I guess that can be confirmed move down to at least rejection block right here. Or preferable to take liquidity level. And that is London Bow. At this moment. Let's, by the way, measure this. Where is the low? 745. Oh, this one, 77. Okay. Okay, I see this. Okay. See, we're already in discount right here. That's funny to see. Yeah, rejection block right here. I highlighted. Yeah. I highlighted this. Perfect reaction from this 5-minute order block so far. Once again, if I'm going to explain something, I'm going to explain only with current candles. I'm not going to go, for example, right here. Let's see what happened already right here. No, I don't like it. Only with current candles. Sometimes you will see I'm going to hide the chart because sometimes it happens too fast. That's why. That's why. Still totally possible to see break below this pre-market low. That's even like in our perfect world, we would like to see a deep discount right here and break below this low, usually. So still don't mind to see a break below this pre-market low. And this break below pre-market low may offer the test of New York midnight open, which can be also deep discount for us. But we'll see. I like that ES already in discount, so I will see. Back. Oh, okay, let me see something right here. Daily right here. Okay, we got. Okay, daily levels on stat map. I would say it's pretty much cherry price action still. Power chart we got open right here. Okay, if I want to use daily levels on stat map, pretty much choppy, but 4 hours suggests lower, a little bit lower, but we'll see once again. If I want to trade this reversal, I want to use inversion fair value gap as my entry. Yeah. Yeah. Since data low right below New York midnight open, yes, it can take this. And it's going to be even better for us because NQ may break below pre-market low. That's even better for us. I don't mind. Okay, guys, usually you will see that a high or low of the day forms between like 940 and 950. So usually 945. So we can trade 950 marker. Nothing wrong with this. But once again, that's pretty much a price action right now. I don't want to short. I don't want to long right now. I'm going to wait for levels and set up from these levels. So I guess I want to see break below pre-market low on NQ and the test of New York midnight open and data low on ES. So that's it for now. Okay, no trades taken yet, so I'm still waiting. Data low is actually just news low or high. For example, at this point, that's news. We got news release at 8:30, so that's going to be news low. So at this moment, I'm going to wait for yes to test New York midnight open. I hope to get this. Or any signs of reversal from New York midnight open on NQ. Nothing yet. Still may go lower. But as you can see, we also don't have strong break below New York midnight open to short, right? Still nothing. Still waiting. Perfect liquidity void right here. Nothing. Let's wait. Hello, hello. I will talk about breakaway gap a little bit later, okay? Just want to focus right now because this is time where real setup can form, so let's talk about real breakaway gap a little bit later, okay? I don't want to miss the trade if it wants to present something. Interesting, even stat map levels lines up with break below pre-market low on NQ. Hate to see this type of price action. But I will stay away from trading this. I need like solid confirmation. Is obvious confirmation to, for example, long or short. Nothing yet. Funny, it's stuck at New York midnight open, so it's actually a point of decision, and nothing is going on so far. Maybe NQ will take out equals. I hate the word maybe. So if it wants to offer something, we will see. So I don't want to maybe it will take this. Maybe it will take this. Okay, we will see. It's still pretty much happy. BTC 91k. Why I did not get any alerts? Because I have alert. Let me see. Maybe I got this. Oh, actually I got this alert. Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Nothing yet, so guys, let's wait. Let's wait. Come on, NQ, do something with New York when it opens. That's impossible to wait so long. Oh, don't ask me about BTC long. We are long from 2018 or 17. For me, it's still crazy when I see people trying to buy. For me, even when people was trying to buy at 70k, I was like, guys, what are you trying to do? I don't actually use, daily open. I mean, 6 p.m. opening price. I mean, it doesn't mean it doesn't work, right? Just don't use this personally. Okay, since we inside, okay, I'm going to use that map to, let me show you guys. Let's use 15-minute chart. It's much better to, okay. And come on, what's wrong with my indicator? Okay, I was waiting for break below pre-market low. Oh, thank you. As you can see, we got daily open right here. I cannot say we got manipulation because I could say, yeah, manipulation if you can sweep, for example, this liquidity level. A regional consolidation high never happened. So at this point, I would like to wait for the break below pre-market low once again. It's right here. Lines up with daily manipulation for our manipulation. And if it may form, I guess 2-minute inversion will be enough for me, but I will think about this. Maybe 5-minute inversion will be better. We will see. So if it wants to reverse, a reversal will happen somewhere from here and confirmed with inversion for a ball gap on 2-minute or 5-minute chart. That's pretty much it. So I will look for long with 2-minute or 5-minute inversion. Not 1 minute. Not 1 minute. 2-minute or 5-minute inversion. Too long. Oh, it's right here. Let's back on 2-minute chart. Yeah, guys, I don't really use 1-minute chart. I use 2-minute chart because it's much better than 1-minute chart. Why? Because less noise, but it's pretty similar to 5-minute chart, but little bit better entry. So I consider 2-minute chart exactly the same way as I consider 5-minute chart, but not like 1-minute chart. That's why I usually stay on 2-minute chart and wait stop on 2-minute chart. Okay, that's interesting. We run this low, exactly what I want to see, but actually would like to see even this. But with this move down, New York midnight open never taken. Yeah, you said like 4-hour bullish manipulation. Not really yet. Don't consider levels on stat map as point of reversals. Never happened. It's not going to say like, okay, we reach this 4-hour manipulation, let's long or short from there. Okay, no, it must take some sort of level which lines up with that map level, for example. We actually trying to, what is your entry model? We're actually trying to keep this simple, so it's Twins model, by the way. You can watch this in description to this stream, so I attached the link for Twins model, but we'll be trying to keep this simple if it wants to be inversion for a while. I guess that will be enough for us to enter long trade, but nothing yet. Still above New York midnight open. It's not really like worst CPI, not really. I would say it was predictable move up as well as predictable retracement down. Where's our pre-market? Our pre-market low is right here, so let's highlight this because we are waiting for this level to be taken. Pre-market low. Not like this. Like this. Yes, too close to New York midnight open. Let's see if we can take it. Come on! Just 1 point lower. Guys, did you notice like yes loves to reverse like 1 tick away from key levels? How many times did I get break-even trade? Median times. Even right now, okay? 1 tick away. Even like if it wants to take this level, guys, 1 tick away once again. What's wrong with this? What's wrong with this? Here we go! Finally. Even this data low taken, right? Market. I can delete this rejection block, London low. As you can see, we broke this low in order to bring in a yes to deep discount. That's actually interesting. Oh, I deleted. Where is force and deviation, guys? Give me 1 second. It's we still have room to go lower, slightly lower, so I'm going to hide these levels because we already run these levels. Here's force and deviation right below pre-market low. Yes, already ran this data low, so my interest was in New York midnight open. That's pretty much it. London high. I can delete this. I can delete this. I don't recommend to turtle soup yet. If you want to do this. Don't recommend to do this yet. Because we got the closure below New York midnight open, but we never got the trace multi-minute fair value gap. That's okay. Because original short idea was the trace multi-minute fair value gap to aim to produce the low level and this level. Okay, nothing yet. Yeah. Since we got SMT initially when in Q run London low, ES failed, so we're on this London low already right here. Okay, let's switch on 1 minute chart. So I will start looking for possible reversal, but any signs for smart money reversal yet? 6 minutes left. Maybe I'm not going to stream every single day, but 2-3 times a week. Yeah, maybe. Minute chart. Nothing yet. Like this first deviation taken, so I will look for possible. Start looking for possible reversal here. How to? Okay, we'll see. Looking for a reversal here, so it makes sense. Once again, in order to say like it's going to be confirmed reversal, you want to see a reversal. Pick up like pretty like slow delivery right here. If it's not going to offer any deep retracement, it's going to be continuation. This means we are going to wait for the first stage of accumulation to enter the trade. On 1 minute chart will be enough. We'll use 1 minute first stage of the accumulation. Not reaccumulation, accumulation. Let's see. Not yet. Nothing. We don't have first stage yet. But we don't mind. Let's see. Trying to react from this order block. I highlighted this right here. but it's okay. I will enter once again at first stage. So I need. It's not first stage yet. Let me check on MNQ, by the way, because maybe on MNQ it's continued. No, not first stage yet. Nothing yet. For the first stage, I'm looking for a minor sweep of this liquidity level. Once again, not to say it wants to continue going up, it must be minor retracement down. Only break below the sell side liquidity with immediate reaction. So we'll see. We'll see. It's not first stage yet. It's not that deep retracement, but it's not first stage yet. Let's see. We will see with next candle in 27 seconds. So I will decide to enter long in 20 seconds, depending on this retracement. How big this retracement is going to be. Come on, I'm serious. It's not first stage, unfortunately. Usually, if I want to see first stage, I would like to see something like this. Oh, oops, I forgot to select the tool. Something, you know, like this. So big right here and then immediate continuation higher. Unfortunately, it did not happen. Okay. It's not really like first stage. It's not first stage of accumulation, guys. We don't take these trades. It's not confirmed reversal yet. Oh, much better to see. I was like, what is going on with my drawings? Like this. We'll have giveaway, not today, guys. We will have it, so don't worry. Five minutes. Once again, guys, I'm very picky with my trades, and if I want to, for example, I want to use this as first stage, this candle is too huge for this long setup. This is why it's not my type of, okay. I will think about giveaway of evaluation accounts. Yeah, I will think about this. Quick check of 15-minute chart. We run this liquidity level. What happens right after this? Run this liquidity level. Okay. We run this forced standard deviation. Let me delete this. We run this forced standard deviation right here. Pretty bullish wick right here. See this? That's bullish sign right here on 15-minute chart. Just want to find something on 15-minute chart because 15-minute chart may offer setup better than on 2-minute chart, obviously. So I like this pretty like bullish wick right here. So we got possible move. We can get possible move right here. We call this as possible 15-minute immediate rebalance. IRB is going to be immediate rebalance. Don't want to write this huge phrase right here. So this immediate rebalance right here, pretty bullish wick. Let's switch on a 5-minute chart. We did not run this yet. Okay, kind of bullish on 15-minute chart. Let me delete this. So expect to get weekly test of this level. I know it's like 15 points up, but anyway. Pretty bullish wick on 15-minute chart. Kind of like it, but once again, I need solid entry for this. Nothing yet. Okay. Anyway, still 40 minutes until close of this 1-hour candle. We don't have any change in the state of delivery, bearish order blocks yet. Kind of like this possible move up, but once again, cannot see this as confirmed perfect entry right here. Give me 1 second. How big stop loss must be at this point? Not sure yet. Not sure yet. Let me calculate right here if I want to put this. Yeah, we got this double liquidity sweep, but once again, last sweep must offer like quick reaction. 15-minute chart pretty like big week right here, but we did not get any quick reactions. That's the problem. Actual problem right here. Oops. Nothing yet. I guess you're going to remind me about this evaluation accounts giveaway every single time that I'm going to stream, so I will not forget about about you. kind of stuck at this bullish for a while. Like, annoying to see this. Like, nothing is going on. We don't want to go higher. We don't want to go lower. We don't have inversion. It's just like still fair value gap that was that. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So well, give me 1 second. I'm going to check this 15-minute fair value gap. This fair value gap lines, 15-minute bullish fair value gap below previous day low lines obvious 15-minute bullish inversion fair value gap. So yeah, exactly. Yes, kind of stuck at this New York midnight open level. Usually that's sign of pretty much choppy price action. Well, I like this fourth standard deviation, honestly. I don't know why it doesn't want to move us. I expect to get reaction from this fourth standard deviation. We never got this reaction, so. But fortunately, guys, we did not get any confirmed entry yet, so. Because it can be losing trade, so. Fortunately, we did not get any confirmations yet. What about twin setup? Do we have any 5-minute change in the state of delivery? Oh my god, no. It cannot even be twin setup. We will see, so. Before taking previous day low level, for example, it made a trace back to New York midnight open since he is stuck at this level. So everything is possible, but once again, since no confirmed entry for me yet, I will try to stay away from trading. Just hate to see this, you know, check price action. But once again, totally possible to see the trace on back to New York midnight open since he is stuck right here. You know, guys, you asking about previous day low level as possible AM session target. You know where is the problem right here? I could say, like, for example, yes, it's going to be previous day low is going to be my target. For example, if we got SMT before. What do you mean by this? Yes, for example, took this level and Q failed. At this point, yes, I'm waiting for it. Previous day low level. At this point, since both failed, kind of, you know, don't mind because we have a 15-minute inversion right below this, but once again, we'll continue waiting. Why it needs to be here? Really? I didn't see that. Come on, give us solid entry so we can trade something. So it's impossible to sit on my hands so long. It's already 10:26. We have institutional level at 500. And right here 500 level, so is institutional level. Actually, I did not highlight this. In my sun analysis that I posted in my group, so I said most likely this 500 can be our, well, somewhere between this range, between, not right here, right here. So this range can be our final move up, but once again, kind of too slow for, it's Wednesday, but see how slow it is, so I mean, in my perfect world, guys, I don't mind to see move higher as well. But once again, looking at this first deviation on this confirmation, kind of, you know, do I want to trust this? Really trust this without confirmation of entry? Kind of not really, right? How many points we are away from New York midnight open? Oh, that's not a lot. Yeah, we'll see. I use this, so. But I don't really use this quarter 3 right here. I'm going to use quarter 4. So this means I will look for this time for potential reversal. If it wants to continue going down, for example, because it may continue going down. But I guess reversal is going to happen right here between 10:53 and 11:15. Continue extending this fair value gap. Still consider this as regular bullish fair value gap right here, not like inversion yet. Okay, CL. Okay, CL. On CL right now, I'm looking for. It's looks like trying to reverse, but I will look for OTD tracing because it may offer perfect win setup for us. Yeah. Just want to keep my eyes on CL as well because I'm not going to wait too long for an NQ trade if CL wants to offer setup. We got 5 minutes. 40 cents retracement down. I don't really mind, but we will see. We will take CL trade long if it wants to, for example, retrace and offer twin setup for us. I'll see. Let me set alert because I can miss this trade. Don't read our comments. Why? You're saying something bad? Do I need to block you? Yes, we can consider the XY. Not like, you know, like point of decision to take any trades on the S and NQ, but yeah, we can consider this for our analysis. I started learning ICT concept. My son was born in 2021. In 2021. Yes, be serious. We don't need this consolidation at New York Midnight Open. Come on. You asked me about equilibrium of previous range on Friday, right? I actually covered this in my last video about intraday comments, so you can check this out. Okay, I set alert on CL in case it wants to offer twin setup. Let's back on NQ. You know, you said quarter 1 may offer continuation higher. Possibly, or continuation or reversal can happen somewhere right here. between 10:53 and 11:15. So let me check 15-minute chart. Right now, it's not 15-minute immediate rebalance, but it's going to be immediate balance. Same idea, but different time. Since did not have time to complete this move up to immediate rebalance, this means we anticipate to get immediate balance, right? Come on, CL, at least CL may offer set up for us. I'm going to finish team around like 12 p.m. Maybe 12:20. Yes, it may be, as you can see, we got immediate balance right here. Yes, about 5-minute order block. It actually may offer to be in setup because NQ is about to offer, necessarily like about, we have 12 more minutes, to offer inversion for a value gap, which can be nice for us. Because if it wants to be 15-minute inversion for a value gap, it should be like solid move up to 1 hour breaker block. Well, yeah. So it's not possible anymore, just regular immediate balance right here. Yeah, that's pretty much interesting because if I want to consider this first sweep, second sweep, usually price should retrace back to discount, back to premium. So we're right here. Back to this liquidity level, 70, like 80, 70 points higher. That's kind of makes sense. If we did not retest New York midnight open, that's fine. Back on 2-minute chart. M. Still no trades from you guys. Absolutely zero trades taken, as you can see. I don't really like it. We're going to trade new TopStep X accounts that I got today. Because I have TopStep accounts, regular accounts on my Ninja Trader, so I got more for TopStep X because, yeah, we need to trade TopStep X because everyone trades this. So we'll see. Nothing yet, so. Because I'm funded with TopStep account, not TopStep X. And I was looking for a TopStep X to get TopStep X accounts. So I will give it a chance. Looks like solid move right here. Let's see. 15-second offered amazing displacement for us. Okay, kind of like it. Let's see. It's still bullish in my opinion, so as reaction from this worst standard deviation, the question on 2-minute chart looks like it wants to be accumulation. Yes, above New York midnight open and a little bit below this level, so let's see. No trades yet, guys. It's okay, don't worry. Funny to see no high probability entries yet. Once again, I'm very picky with my trades, but even if I'm very picky, nothing offered yet for me. Absolutely amazing reaction from this worst standard deviation, but that's it. Okay. Anyway, still no trades. And that's totally fine. So sometimes we don't have an opportunity to enter the trade in AM session, but we also always have PM session, right? Maybe PM might offer something. We never know. Will this be posted after going off? What do you mean? You mean recording? Okay, guys, when you're trying to tell me like, oh, see this inversion for a value gap, see this for a value gap, you should understand like not every single inversion for a value gap or for a value gap is going to work. So consider the high time frame levels. So I just like cannot see the reason too long from nowhere, even only because it offered inversion for a value gap, right? So like be smart, guys. Don't take stupid trades just because you see inversion for a value gap, okay? Good job. I don't watch streams at all, guys, so I don't know. Just I'm not ready to enter trade long trade. I explained why, because this forced standard deviation is not enough for me to actually consider the trade. And even okay, guys, what level did we take actually? Oh, nothing. So yeah, if I, for example, setup wasn't offered in AM session, especially before 11 a.m., usually I look for entry between like 1:30 and 2:30 p.m. So that's pretty much it. So far, so at this moment, You know, for example, let's say I was in this long, I was like, I wish I wasn't in this long because, guys, not going to like every single time when I'm trying to trade consolidation range, every single time, no matter what, no matter how perfect setup in this consolidation, I have losing trade. I don't know why, but every single time when I'm trying to trade this consolidation, and I would not say like I'm entering at the top of this range for long or at the bottom of this range to short. No, not really. But for some magical reason, every single time I have losing trade. So that's funny. So I'm kind of happy I'm not this trade because, come on, Dasha, how many times you could lose this trade if you want to long somewhere from here? Let's say from this order block. Oh, that's losing trade. Why, when I decided to stream on YouTube, price action decided to be like this? Hmm? Hmm? What's your problem, NQ? I mean, yeah, of course. So once again, I'm not going to chase any moves. If no setup, then no trades. I'm totally fine with this. Yep. Okay, 47 seconds left. First closure, 15-minute candle. Hmm. Let me add some 1 hour levels right here. Yeah. Yes, because 6K is institutional level. That's why we actually start here, especially see this New York Midnight Open right at this level. That's actually funny. How it's trying to play games around this level. And even more funny right here, yes, is above New York Midnight Open while NQ is below this level. Okay, 1 hour chart. You know, maybe it wants to do something like this. Something like this. And then reverse. Maybe it's going to be better than just continuation higher. I guess so. Once again, guys, that's maybe just me. Once again, I can anticipate something. For example, I can say, like, I woke up and said, like, at 7 a.m., okay, we will go to, like, to the moon, 1K move up. It doesn't mean, like, I'm going to enter this trade. Because you can anticipate something, but to find setup, it's much more, like, it's hard. So I don't like to enter trade because I said we need to go here because I said that. Let's take this trade. Not no, of course. But not going to lie, so far I saw 0 chances to enter the trade. You should live trade to grow YouTube. I actually like not interested in my YouTube channel, so if I'm going to enter the trade, I'm going to let you know, guys. So I'm not in trade. I took 0 trade so far. I'm going to show you. Just at this moment, nothing. Minor SMT between ES and Q1 minute chart. Minor, not significant at all. Yes, exactly. Many losing trades happens because you anticipate something in taking the trade without setup. Exactly right. How old are you? Any guesses? But it's you? No way. 38? No way, guys. Are you serious? I mean, yeah, I have 2 kids, but it doesn't mean like I look so bad. I know, I'm just kidding. I don't really care. Dash is life. Yep, finally. Finally. Okay, we are dropping. We are dropping. I'm less than 30, guys, but more than 25. Even CL, come on. CL does something. They'll just offered a maiden reversal, but never offered win setup for me. Come on. First time I decided to stream. Come on. Are you single? I actually have I have actually 3 kids. 2 little kids and like 1 big boy. Yeah, I hope tomorrow we're going to bet better price action. So, you know what can happen on NQ? They may actually offer fake long right here. I mean, fake move up right here to sweep nearest liquidity level, for example, this with sharp reversal to take run right here, I guess. Men never grow up. Exactly right. I will be live tomorrow as well, so yeah. I hope tomorrow we are going to get absolutely amazing price action because today was ugly. By the way, guys, don't forget to hit like button. That's our first stream, so support me, guys. Support me, guys. Please do live every day. 3 times a week, I guess, would be enough because I don't really like to trade stream on Monday because it's slow. Friday also usually slow, especially if Thursday delivered as a weekly target. So, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, maybe. Yeah, of course, finally we'll leave this consolidation. It's going to be absolutely solid expansion. The question when? I guess it's going to be maybe solid expansion will be down right here between 10.53 and 11.15, then possible reversal. Maybe. Let me remove some levels. Hate to have lots of joints on my chart. It always annoying. Let me delete this. So we already got this. We got forced standard deviation. Okay, we got propulsion block right here. Unfortunately, this propulsion block at the bottom of this range. But usually main setup, guys, by the way, do you know how we can expect, for example, if you're consolidating, but we're expecting to get expansion because we anticipate to get this in the right time. Usually when we inside consolidation, it's like solid range. In order to consider possible, let's say short, because let's say our target previous day low level, just like imagine this. Consolidation, previous day low target. So we're anticipating expansion down. And how we want to trade this consolidation, we want to find order block near 50% of this consolidation. So order block at 50% of this consolidation is going to be our entry, but stop loss in any case is going to be top of this consolidation. Propulsion block, yeah, it's right here. But in any case, we need to put our stop loss above this high in any way, because this is consolidation. So we stuck at, I would say, at 50% of this consolidation. So we stuck at 50% of this consolidation. I would say 50%. Oh my God. Give me 1 second. Order block near 50% right here. And stop loss must be right here. But it's very hard trade right here. Yeah, somewhere right here. So far, yes, just trying to generate the liquidity right here. But once again, guys, from my experience, every single time when I trade consolidation, I have losing trades. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because tomorrow I'm going to stream again. I hope we are going to get the top. Tomorrow, because if it's not going to over set up, okay, I'm going to maybe give it time until 12:20, because I know some people use lunch marker from 11:50 to 12:10. I use from 11:50 to 12:20. Smile. I cannot smile looking at this price action, so hello. So then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because tomorrow we are going to stream again. Tomorrow is Thursday. Usually weekly objective reaching this date, Thursday. So I hope we are going to get TGIT. TGIT is actually 20%, retracement 20% of current weekly range. I don't really like to trade TGIF, but TGIT is so nice. Hello, hello. Hello, hello, guys. But what is annoying right here, like from almost 1 hour of this consolidation. Oh my god. Happy I'm not in this trade. Oh my god, come on, Marky, do something. I mean, okay. Right here, I can anticipate expansion down. We got pretty like huge order block right here at 50% of this consolidation. How big stop? It's going to be crazy stop for me. Oh, 27 points, come on, are you serious? 27 points is a lot, guys. We need to have trade at least with maximum 15 points. You sent me message long time ago. Where? On Twitter? Instagram? I guess I can share, because I post this in my Discord. I can try to discuss this before market open. Actually, I discussed this before market open today as well. Yeah, direct message, I got this, but where? Because you could send me this on Instagram, maybe Twitter. If you can, you send this again, please. It's too early for distortion setup right here. It's not distortion setup in my opinion, because it's too early for this. But we don't have any continuation lower as well. Were you part of, I never was part of private group, ICT private group, never ever. Yeah, usually we look for a stop loss, maximum 15 points on NQ or 2-3 points on ES. Or 10-15 cents on CL, so something like this. Yeah. We are going to stay here for more than 1 hour. Next hour is you guys, so maybe we can get something. So absolutely zero trades taken, and you know, I'm happy I did not take any trades because actually I don't want what I want to do in this consolidation. Like, yeah, first division taken, liquidity never taken, London low taken. I would say yes, even looks better for long than in Q. So nothing interesting. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to annoy you guys for the next, I don't know, like 1 hour, maybe even more. Still, NQ still trying to hold this order block at 50% of this consolidation. That's pretty much it. I mean, you asked me about if I was part of 2016 mentorship, but 2022 mentorship, it's completely different mentorship. No? You're trying to short. You know what? Why you actually stopped out? Because no one trying to short at the bottom of the range. Trust me. I mean, I'm going to discuss my possible pre-market before market open. So right here, I usually start streaming before market open. So I'm going to discuss this right here. Mentorship 2024 is the best so far. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to see any video from there, but maybe I will give it a chance. Of course, we inside consolidation, but we are not going to be here forever, right? Finally, we will leave this level, but this range, but where? When? I guess expansion will come next 10 minutes, so between now and next 10 minutes. In my opinion, best playlist on ICT YouTube channel is core content. That's it. Best of the best. So guys, ask questions. So it's pretty boring per section. So let's talk about something interesting. And don't forget to hit like button, guys. So yeah, and subscribe to my channel. So ask questions. So far, nothing interesting on market. I'm profitable for the last 2 years only. Promo code. What do you mean? What promo code are you looking for? Entry model. Okay, if you look for the description for this video, you will find, just scroll down, you will see my model. It's even called like my model, and you will be able to see this on my YouTube channel. So I recorded the video. BTC 92K, that's crazy. That's literally crazy. That's amazing. Oh, no way. $23K. I cannot see the future, so I cannot answer this question. Oh, you want to get, okay, you want to get indicator, stat map indicator. I guess, code just Lumion. How many years did it take to learn you to learn trading? Actually, I started with small caps. I guess everyone starts from small caps. I started with Ross Cameron course. I guess it's water trading course. I guess you know about this course. But guys, it was so hard for me. I don't know. It was like I was like, no way. Trading is about like look for the scanners and look for it. Like just one small cap stock, and I was like, no. I don't want to trade this. I even had no idea that we have like futures, forex markets. I was like only like stocks. And I remember days when I woke up, I was like, oh no way, I need to look for the scanner again. I need to find the stock to trade. It was so hard for me. Usually, I mean, in London, I sleep, obviously. So I trade New York AM session, I trade New York PM session. Sometimes I trade Asia session. But I trade, by the way, my tip right here, how I trade Asia session. I not always trade Asia session, but I trade this. For example, let's say our target was, I don't know, London high. This is our obvious target. This is our drawn liquidity. And let's say during PM session, we don't care about AM session. Absolutely don't care about this. Only PM session, especially between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. this power hour. It was trying to reach this London low level, right? But as you can see, it was like, I guess, last week as well example, because I traded Asia last week as well. So let's say at 3:50 marker, it failed to take this London high. Even at 4 p.m., it failed to take this London low, not London high. Never mind, London low. This means Asia will retrace slightly higher. It's going to be retracing back to premium, and absolutely like textbook short to take this London low. Absolutely amazing. Market profile and supply demand. I agree with you guys, by the way. I traded supply demand and absolutely nothing wrong with this. I mean, I wish I could stream Asia session, but I have 2 kids. It's impossible to stream. But I know what we can do with this, by the way. Today's price action, yeah, kind of annoying. So I usually don't trade consolidation, and I explained why, because I have losing trades every single time when I'm trying to trade consolidation. What do you think about today's price action? I hate to, guys, I hate to say like it's ugly price action, because it's ugly price action only for me. It doesn't mean like it's not tradable at all. I have 2 kids, 3 and 5 years old. But when if you can hear me from me, like it's ugly price action, doesn't mean like it's ugly price action. Actually, this means like I cannot trade this. But some people absolutely in love with trading consolidation, and it's fine. So it's not for me. CL, unfortunately, nothing interesting for me. It just went higher. Unfortunately, I wanted to see OT retracement and long at this twin setup. Unfortunately, did not happen. Lumi and Tanya, I like twin because we have same, I don't know, hair color. I don't know. We look pretty similar. Yes, exactly. It's like ugly for our setup. But it doesn't mean like it's actually ugly price action. It's still tradable, just not for me. Okay. My 5 years old actually in kindergarten right now, so it's like so quiet right here. Yeah, that's actually interesting. My kids like 17 months apart, but they look exactly the same. Like everyone asks me, are they twins? Are they twins? Yeah. Dark inside is consolidation, of course. Let's check gold. Maybe gold wants to offer something. If not CL, gold inside hourly consolidation. Amazing. Perfect. Move on CL, absolutely amazing move up on CL, but unfortunately without me, because I want to enter twins. Are they twins? No, they're 17 months apart. Can I trade gold on top step? I have no idea, guys. Looks like yes, I can. Yeah, I can. Just put GC right here. Yeah, CL. I can trade CL. Yeah, we can. I just got this top step X account, so I need to pass them, guys. I got them this morning. How often do you plan on live stream? Okay, actually 2-3 times a week, so I'm going to be on YouTube tomorrow as well. So, yeah. To be honest, I absolutely love with CL because it's not manipulated at all. It's super obvious. Super obvious price action. You even like don't need to understand ICT to trade CL because it's pretty simple. Just I want to trade twin setup today, unfortunately went without me, but that's fine. That's fine. That's a great question about swing trading. I have no answer on this because I'm not swing trader. What ICT model? Actually, it's up to you. Something that can work for me will not work for you. So just you need to find your model that will work for you. Maybe it's going to be just changing the state of delivery. Maybe it's going to be simple. I don't know, inversion fair value gap, whatever. Maybe you want to trade just from liquidity to liquidity level. It's up to you. Okay, that's an interesting question. What exactly makes CL easier? You know, I remember a day when I was trying to switch from NQ to CL. That's funny because NQ pretty much manipulate, in my opinion. It's hard to trade because you're always trying to find, maybe right here they want to offer fake move up and then like, you know, manipulation and then reversal. Maybe they want to like fake out these longs and reverse. Maybe they want to fake out the shorts and reverse. You know, like lots of questions with this. Like you're trying to find something like, they want to play with you. Yeah, maybe they want to play with you. But with CL, it's like straightforward. It's not manipulated. You understand where is the liquidity level. You understand where you want to enter. It's like, and it's just simply going to your target. But for NQ, once again, you always trying to find like maybe right here they want to manipulate. I hate it, guys. I hate it. But once again, maybe it's just me. It's sometimes even you know, yeah, I'm so scared to enter the trade on CL because it cannot be so easy. CL, it's oil. It's just like type right here, CL. Oil futures right here. Here we go. Yep. But that's funny because once again, I really trying to trade CL. I traded this last week. It was like easy setup, but not going to lie, I was like, it cannot be so easy. Okay, usually I trade one mini contract on CL and 10 cents. 10 cents. It's like $100. I trade M and Q. Sometimes in Q, but I trade in Q when we have like bank holiday, when I have stop loss like 10 points and less. But usually M and Q 5, 10 micros, and 10 micros is like almost never. SMT BCL, that's absolutely amazing question, and I don't have like solid answer on this. What NQ might do right here, but once again, we never know. It may sweep this nearest liquidity level as we expected before, and then continue going down. Oh my god, guys, I'm so happy I wasn't in this trade because I have no idea where I need to enter at this point. Because I was looking for possible long from forced standard deviation, but never happy. I never got any confirmation for long. Yes, I always use NQ for my charting right here, but execute on MNQ. But sometimes you will see, for example, some, let's say previously high was failed to be taken on NQ by 1 sig, but on MNQ you can see we took this level. This means we have a chance NQ will retrace back up to take this level once again. But yes, I use levels on NQ chart, not on MNQ chart, to trade MNQ. Yes, of course, we can use SMT for as confirmation for our entry, of course. Exactly. Not like only London high or London low, but overnight levels. It can be, for example, Asia low and Asia high as well. But once again, I only interested in overnight levels. It can be, once again, London liquidity levels and Asia liquidity levels. I don't really care about previous day high, previous day low levels, actually. So, but yeah, trade Asia if London high, London low, Asia high, Asia low fail to be taken. Thank you, thank you. By the way, guys, if you look on my Twitter page, I shared all PDFs with my lessons. So how to trade power of three, how to trade twins model, how to trade market maker model, how to trade, how to build your intraday bias. If you go on my Twitter page, you will find this, okay? If you don't want to look, if you don't want to watch my videos on YouTube, you can actually read this. Which prop firm I use? I use several. I have Topstep, Topstep X. I have Elite Trader. I have my funded futures. I have Apex. Actually, I use this 1, 2, 3, 4. Topstep X, Topstep, Elite, my funded futures, and Apex. Yeah, I like them so far. Exactly, yes. I have how to I have a video about how to trade silver bullet in my own way. Once again, ICT maybe explains this in a bit different way. Just go on my YouTube, you will find the video about market maker model. And I explained how to trade silver bullet. Because silver bullet is always part of market maker model, if you didn't know that. That's a great question. If you don't have bias, how you can trade at all? I mean, how you can look for setup if you don't know where market needs to go? How long? Okay, how long I'm in US for? 8 years. Yeah, it's a bit short. Okay, why? What are you trying to find then? I guess that's pretty much enough to understand how to trade silver bullet. You don't need like huge and long lesson how to trade silver bullet. Keep it simple. Yeah, I mean, we just run this nearest liquidity level. Let's see if we can reverse to take previous day low level. Yeah, that's solid week right here. Yes, just run this. Yeah, consolidation high. CL easier to trade than NQ. But I cannot say it's better than NQ because it's up to you. If you want to trade CL and you like it, trade it. Some people like trade CL, some people don't like trade CL, so personal preferences. Like if some have no bias, I guess I answered already. For the day, how should yeah, okay. If you don't know where market needs to go, I would stay away from even if you can see like let's say like unicorn setup, textbook setup, but you don't understand where market needs to go, then will it be like solid trade? Not really, right? Oh my god. Thank you. Don't be like this. Don't be like this. So it's impossible to watch this price action. From New York midnight open to previous day low level, it's like 80 points. 80 points move down. Thank you. What about Toronto to this previous day low level? It's not that hard. Trust me. Just previous day low levels and we can start moving, please. It's not that hard, trust me. Just go right here. Yeah, tomorrow will be better. Yeah. Nope. I did not buy longs or any calls on this. Nope. Yes, I was trying to trade gold. Nothing wrong with this. Don't really like it because, in my opinion, it's pretty much consolidation of high frame always. Maybe that's me once again. I don't really like it. But I'm fine with this. I can trade it. uh, just I wanted one quick trade. Once again, this is called FOMO. You're trying to like catch the trade somewhere when you see it's trying to move us higher. You see like it's pretty fast. You're trying to be on this train and then you step out. Please don't chase if you don't have setup. Please. Okay, you asked me about win setup. We must have OT. We must have 2 minute, 1 minute imbalances. We must have 5 minute order block and 1 minute order block. I would say we stuck. Once again, depending on when you want to measure, where you want to measure. It's not really yet. But for expert work good with you, I have no idea. Never traded forex. Never ever. Lots of weather swings right here. Let's highlight them. We have this water block trying to hold this New York midnight open. At least one good sign for us, guys, I guess, is going to be possible 5 minute inversion, bullish inversion for your value gap. In order to trade, let me check these levels. Yeah. For our open right here. So actually, this is still inversion for a value gap, which may bring us back to premium. But once again, if it wants to be short setup for us, because I don't see any short setup, we can use this inversion for a value gap in the future as declaimed for a value gap if we can close below this for scalp. But for scalp, like 60 points. But right here, I don't want to short right now. What's the timer for? Which timer? It's just clock, so I can see what time it is with seconds. Easier for me, easier for you. So I mean, you can see like 11:27, but exactly what time it is? It's like 11:27, 26. So it's much easier. Yes, that's current time. Buy side liquidity. Oops. Oops. You said we got twin setup, but you mean at 10:40, right? Because we got 5-minute change in the state of delivery at 10:30 only. Oops. Chart. Oops. Run tool right here. I like this buy side liquidity inside this whole TD tracement. Above equilibrium of previous duration, both ES and NQ. What time it is? It's 11:30. This means we closed above New York midnight open on 15-minute chart. Okay. Oh, you always Russian? I actually from Belarus. Oh, that's FIP. Okay. This is where you must have pre-market plan. So you must analyze market before market open. Actually, it's not only in QE. Yes, you can analyze CL, gold, and then you can set alerts, lots of alerts. So you have this option right here, add alert. And for example, if a level taken, you got alerts, then you can take this trade. No reason to jump between time frames and looking for like for a trade without analysis. In Q, it traces back to 15-minute bearish inversion for a value gap. This one. Right here. Still inside this 1 hour fair value gap. I don't have any courses and don't plan have any courses. Education must be free, in my opinion, so everything is available on YouTube. So no courses. That's the answer. Not going to have any courses as well. That's the very first fair value gap after we got the closure above New York midnight open on 15-minute chart. So we still can have setup right here today, so I'm not going to give up, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. So why it's so only 242 likes right here, guys? Come on, like more. Yeah. So like this fair value gap, but that's too high for me, above 50% of this leg up. But this is very first fair value gap. This is very first fair value gap after we got the closure above New York midnight open on 2-minute chart. When our hope is lost, switch on IM. I mean, even ES doesn't want to offer right now something interesting. It was, I mean, nice move up right here, but not perfect one. he hit like in the first time. Price action can be so boring. Mm. Or it's a better way to for inversion. Lots of questions. Or if it's going to be inversion, stop loss is going to be here. This target right here. Which is better? I guess inversion is better, obviously. Kind of like this, guys. Why do you think? I guess it's going to be nice short. I'm going to wait for inversion, inversion right here to confirm this on 2-minute chart, but it doesn't really look bad. That's 2-minute, right? I guess I like this order block reaction right here. Not sure if it wants to present 2-minute inversion right here, but kind of, I don't know, like, kind of like it. Partial. Partial. This kind of, easy trades that I like, usually. Yes, I took this trade. Oh, I forgot to show you this. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. I took this. I forgot to show this. It's my bad. It's right here. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot to show this. Got partial right here. Going to take... I hope we can take this level. If not, then I will take it break even. What do you mean? I'm sorry, guys. Yes, 1 minute over order block reaction. Exactly. It was such an easy short, in my opinion. I never had such an easy short. Patience, please. As always, I'm happy to get this. Just follow your plan and that's it. Guys, who can explain why I took this trade? It's kind of easy trade, but who can explain why? Why I took this trade? Any guesses so we can cover this, but who can explain why? I said I'm very picky with my trades. Very picky with my trades. I took this trade because 15-minute inversion for Ripple was respected. It offered 15-minute inversion offered 1 minute change in the state of delivery. This means it offered first sign of what? Smart money reversal. Smart money reversal. We got change in the state of delivery. We got market structure shift. That's why I took this trade. I'm going to close my trade at break even. This purple box right here is 1 minute change in the state of delivery. See 10-point stop loss. All I need is to have stop loss less than 15 points. I took partial right here. I'm going to took partial, I guess, right here if you can reach this level, of course, but preferably right here. Sell stops. That's like near sell stops. It was so close. Yes, lunch marker starting, so I'm going to close at break even in case it wants to, for some reason, to continue going up, which is kind of crazy, without taking liquidity level. For example, at least this liquidity level. This failure swings right here, but that's fine. Anyway, not bad. Don't mind to see a move right here, but once again, solid reaction, but reaction from where? I don't know from where. We got breakaway gap right here, a reaction from here. What else we got? What else? What else? Is it was OT retracement right here? Oh my god, it's going to be break even. At least I looked partial. Thank you for this. How fast this move was, that's ridiculous. Nice move, but it was, okay, all out. Not bad. Okay. Crazy. It was OT? What it was? Crazy. Oh, it was OT, by the way, yeah. That's so fake. What do you mean? Let's see if we can re-enter, guys. Just so the entry win price is at first partial. That's too oh my god. Guys, I'm not going to lie about my trades. I'm not that type of entries. I'm not the type of people. Come on. I don't really care if someone took this trade and I missed this trade. I'm going to enter if it's going to present opportunity. If it's going to be sold again, we are going to re-enter. That's fine. It's step X. It's not Ninja Trader. I'm just trying to show my executions because people for some reason feel, trying to tell me like it's fake. Okay, failed to reach my final target right here. That's fine. We are going to look for another entry. As you can see, we got a partial right here. We got the reaction to this OT. We trace back to this order block. Let's see. I will re-enter again if it wants to present opportunity. It's not 1 minute change in the state of delivery from nowhere. It was a reaction from 15-minute inversion fair value gap, which is right here. Let me show you. This inversion, reaction. No? Does it look bad? Wants to see these sell stops or this sell stops and then previous day low taken failed. Fine. No trades taken so far anymore. I will not enter right here. Sweep. It cannot be 1 minute change in the state of DD, but maybe it's going to be liquidity sweep again. But once again, I'm not ready to re-enter yet. We'll wait a little bit more. Anyway, I got 40 points in this trade. Oh, that's nice. Not bad. Very unfortunate date. Why? I mean, why it's like unfortunate day? Do you consider London close marker? I don't really like consider London close marker. Never trade this, by the way. Anyway, so far just one trade. Not ready to short again. Not ready to short again, guys. I traded 7 micros with 10 point stop loss. Just kind of feel not comfortable to short again. Pretty like bullish reaction. May continue going up. Yeah, 10, 15 points. That's why I'm very picky with trades. So I'm looking for entry at the top or bottom. That's it. So not ready to look in the middle of nowhere because stop loss is usually huge. I don't like it. Usually stay away. Because for me, this is low risk sell. You dream about the day when I will stream. Okay. Okay, guys, I took just one trade so far. This trade with partial. My partial was at 116 at this liquidity level. Then I closed a little bit in profit, not really break even trade. So I will wait for another opportunity if it wants to present because I'm going to stay here for the next 15-20 minutes. If going to present something, then we will take it, right? Not sound is too low, guys. Sound is too low or not? Come on, don't tell me you want to sell right now. Sound is okay, right? Okay. Okay. Maybe I'm speaking like this. Okay. Okay. Still inside 15-minute inversion. This purple box is a 15-minute inversion fair value gap. Well, happy with my one trade only. Okay, I will try to fix this somehow by tomorrow. Just guys, tell me what I need to fix by tomorrow. Maybe any suggestions, guys? What I need to fix? What I need to fix? Okay, okay, perfect. Come on, now it's starts moving. Okay, that's fine. I'm not going to take this short. Because right here, I don't feel like comfortable to short from this OB. What time is it to you now? It's 11:15. No, 11:57. Yeah, it's 11:57. $11:57. It's good to me. Low fix my trading. Can someone fix my trading? Well. Okay, not interested in shorts right now. Okay, guys, that's nice. So if any suggestions, just let me know. So we'll try to fix this. Any questions, you can ask me. Just send me direct message on Twitter. I will do my best to answer it today or tomorrow. Right now, not interested in shorts. Yeah. I guess market wants to reach this buy stops, but once again, we'll stay away. It's not buy. It's not long that I want to see. I want to take. There is 30 minutes inversion fair value gap. So now we can. Okay, I mean, of course, we can find inversion fair value gap everywhere. But the question for us, we cannot take every single inversion fair value gap simply because it's inversion fair value gap and someone told you like this has huge win rate. No. If you did not reach any high time level or your bias suggests like we can drop, for example, it doesn't mean like we need to buy, right? Just try to answer yourself right now. If I buy, where is my stop loss, where market needs to go, and where market can reverse? For example, to previous day low, what you want to do at this point. So where's your target based on this 30 minutes inversion fair value gap? Tanya is nice, come on. I love Tanya. She's not boring, by the way. I watched her like 3-5 streams, I guess. She's nice. I like it. I like her. Right now we got some sort of expansion, then we stuck, and that's it. That's it. Yeah, she's amazing, so she's not boring. Come on. Yeah, exactly. So for me personally, every single trader who streams on YouTube is amazing. I mean, okay, Tanya too close. It's fine. It's part of the game. It's totally fine, especially if she was trying to trade this consolidation. It's totally fine. It was hard for me as well. Happy I decided to stay away, but once again, I decided to stay away because I lose out every single time I'm trying to trade consolidation. You sure there's a startle soup? You know, maybe it's going to work, but the question, usually what we want to anticipate from the startle soup. Usually I would like to anticipate to see momentum. Not really yet, but since it's still inside 15-minute inversion, everything can happen, right? I'm not going to take this. No. Even if it wants to drop right now, I consider this a slow risk sell right here. Consider this as like high probability. As you can see, we got momentum right here, right? We did not get any momentum right here. We'll stay away. Usually when I expect to see momentum, I expect to get big bodies, small wicks. Right here, pretty big wick. I'm going to pass. No, thank you. Yes, exactly. Every single time I use standard deviation projections, I use OT retracement, I use measuring gap projections, and so on. By the way, why I don't like to trade turtle soup? Because every single time when I was trying to trade this, I mean, I don't really lose, but I have no idea where I need to put my stop loss, honestly. because I feel like market still can go right to this buy side liquidity, and even if I want to short from here, where's stop loss at this point? For me, tartar soup is not low risk trade at all. For me, it's always like so stressful. I'm always like, oh my god. I have like a heartbeat like 180. No, I don't like to trade turtle soups. Guys, come on. Don't compare me with Tanya. Tanya exactly the same as me and even better, trust me. Oh my god. Don't ask me about Robin's Cup, please. Because I don't really care. Yeah, I mean, ICT gave me lots of knowledge. I don't need more. I absolutely don't care if he is going to win something or not. I don't care. It's not my business. I don't care. It's okay. It's not my business once again. I don't care. I don't know if he's going to win. I have no idea. Yes, it can act as a resistance, exactly right. Potential barrier for price to go higher or lower. Did you take a short? I took the short. This, I'm going to show you again. That's just one trade I took. Just one trade, guys. Nothing more. Yes, guys, I'm going to trade top step X on streams only. So I need to pause this because I only got them right before stream. So I got only one trade. We are going to pause this together. So let's do this. Let's take payouts from this top step X in the future together, right? So top step X is going to be for YouTube because I still trade Apex, still trade another top step account because I have only 4 top step X accounts right here, and I have 1 funded account that I don't trade on top step X. I have Elite Trader and I have my funded futures. Okay, my tip for you guys, especially who took this turtle soup. Usually, if you want to see turtle soup, it must be momentum. See this one thing. Oh, back to chart. See this momentum right here. Let me delete this. So I took this trade. Body, long body, small wicks, long body, small wicks, long body, small wicks. Momentum, right? I use copy trader. Exactly right. I use replicanta. I copy across top step account, my funded futures, and Epics. Okay, my funded futures is better because you need to pay less. I trade Epics. I don't care what people is going to tell me about this Epics. I absolutely in love with Epics. Never had any problems with this. I'm going to continue working with them until something happens. I worked with them more than 2 years. Nothing happened with me for these 2 years. Nothing. So it's up to you. So if it's still actually you can go on my website. You can compare the prices from like get a top step account, not top step, my funded futures and Epics, and then you can see how much you will pay by the end. So you will pass this. You need to pay activation fee and the price. You can compare this. So I created the table right there. Yes, I copy all my trades across all that accounts. Exactly right. Okay, which model do you prefer as a beginner? Okay, it totally depends. What do you know? I mean, what you know about ICT? how much you know, actually. If you know enough, for example, how to trade fair value gap breaker blocks, if you understand how OTE works, my model, Twins model, can work for you because it's high probability model in terms of because we have lots of confirmation inside this model. So you can trade the Twins model. Just you can find this in my description. Just go to description to this video. You will find, just scroll down, you will find Twins model. So if you understand how ICT works, like basics, it may help you. If not, then I recommend to study core content, and then you can look for model. Because in my opinion, my Twins model is pretty like solid because it has lots of confirmations inside this. But inversion fair value gap also, in my opinion, nice entry point. For me, I use Twins model and inversion fair value gap a lot. Or changing the state of delivery as low risk trade. Okay, so far what happened on NQ? Buy stops right here failed to be taken. Are you serious? Are you serious? With your glasses, come on guys, I'm almost blind with my left eye, so it's impossible for me to be without my glasses, unfortunately, so I'm so sorry. Actually, I don't need to make video, I guess, because lots of videos are available on YouTube. It's pretty simple, so if I use Replicanta, so I like it. So but you cannot trade this Replicant on TradeAway, for example. On TopStepX, it has built-in copier, right? So I can copy across 4 accounts right now. So lots of videos on YouTube. It's short videos, like 5-6 minutes. With your glasses, thank you. I'm just blind. I'm so sorry. But guys, literally, my left eye is almost blind. I can see only with my right eye, unfortunately. Let me show you. It was 5-minute chart, it looks like. So let me delete this. And no, that's it. So I measured from this high all the way down to this low. From this high to this low. I just don't use starting points because that's annoying to see lots of levels on my chart. But from this high to this low, we got OT right here. I got 50K accounts with TopStepX. I always use 50K accounts only because it's like optimal choice in my opinion. we like to yeah guys, I cannot see at all with left eye at all. It's blurry a bit. Oh, okay, that's strange. Because maybe I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I was like looking at this price action. Your eyes is my eyes. Okay, okay. Your hand is sharp. Okay. Looking at the... Unfortunately, you're right about this. You like vibes right here? Yeah. You're not familiar with my rainbow magnets yet, so you will see this. It's even better. You know, what is funny right here? I consider myself as pretty much transparent person. Like, I have nothing to hide, but people still trying to hate me for some magical reason. Absolutely fine with taking losses, absolutely fine with blowing accounts, absolutely fine with break-even trades, with everything, but people still trying to hate me for this. Oh, it's 1 a.m. already. Oh, go to bed. It's For me, it's impossible to exist if I'm going to bed like at 1 a.m. Yeah, that's internet, just trying to find explanation, but still. But with this top step X, guys, let's do this challenge. Let's pause this together. Let's try to make payouts from there. I guess that's going to be a nice challenge for me because I never did that before. I'm from Belarus. It's a country next to Russia, but I live in the US for the last 8 years. So my first language is Russian. My second language is English. How many accounts did I don't know. It's not a lot, but since I'm very picky with my trades, sometimes I just take one trade. I mean, three trades a week. So it's not like so hard. It's pretty hard to blow accounts with this. But guys, I blew my funded accounts just once in my life. And it wasn't like for one day. It took me like 2 weeks to blow them. Unfortunately, just had almost every single day of losing trades. And okay, part of the game. I wasn't even disappointed with this. What's problem with Twitter? Okay, it's okay. Usually I try to take 1-2 trades a day if I can see setup. But what is going to happen if I'm going to have losing trade? Okay, that's a great question. Depends how much I lose. For example, my personal loss limit is like $250 a day. So for example, let's say I lost like $70 or $100. I still can take the trade. Hello. Just trying to have a loss limit, like mental loss limit. It's like 200, maybe sometimes $250. But once again, when I blew my accounts, my funded accounts, I was like this losing strike. Like one day it was like 200, another day it was like 100, another day it was like $250, and so on. It was like, okay. I'm going to stream like 2-3 times a week. Just don't want to stream on Monday. I don't want to stream on Friday. Do I trade gold? Sometimes. That's interesting. Problem with Twitter. Actually. Never had this problem before. But yeah, let's accept this challenge, guys. We need to pass top step. Actually, let's pass this for like $500, $200, $500 a day. We're going to pass this for 1 week. Just I usually I passed my accounts for 1 day when I don't want to do this challenge. Usually I pass my Apex, my other accounts for 1 day. But if I want to trade this with you, just let's consider this challenge. This combines as like real accounts. Just let's trade exactly as I trade my funded accounts, okay? Yes, that's a good challenge. Let's do this. Consolidation. That's a great question. Do you use previous New York midnight open? Did you watch my last video? I explained this. 8-second delay. I cannot fix this for some reason. First it was like 20-second delay. I was like, what is going on? How can I stream with 20-second delay? I fix this, like all I can have like 8 seconds. I cannot make it less for some reason, because I guess it's like area where I live or my internet. I have no idea what is this. If you ask me what I offer in my paid group, just go on my website. I don't want to cover this on this live stream. If you want to check this out, just go on my website and you will find out, okay? I took just one trade before. This trade, I took short with 40 points gain, and took partial with 40 points and stop. Not sure that break even and small profit with my runners. That's the trade that I took. Maybe I will trade PM session. I don't know yet, so it depends if stop wants to offer. 1 minute inversion offered by stops taken. Maybe I like it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take in this live streams from 5 to 10 micros. I'm not going to trade minis at all, because we need to like consider these accounts as real accounts, okay? I just don't want to show you like I'm going to like full port, I don't know, 5 minis and like pass for 1 second, okay? No, I don't want to do this, because I already did that when I passed my account. No. Let's consider this as like normal trading. We are going to trade with like 5 to 10 micros, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I usually trade only 50k accounts, only 50k accounts. I like this inversion for a wall gap right now. I like this momentum right here. Even on 2 minute we got, oh my god, that's pretty much nice reaction for our manipulation level right here. This is manipulation level. It offered 2 minute inversion. Guys, give me 1 second. Let's focus a little bit. Close below this. Close below this. Not perfect momentum on 15-second chart. I don't like the displacement, but still can play out. I like these candles right here. Okay, let's see if we may invert 5 minutes for. Most likely it's going to just break below this level, so no reason to wait. Yeah, it's actually nice. Move down, we got breakaway gap. Usually we should stuck at this breakaway gap. Where is my breakaway gap? Right here. This breakaway gap lines up with 5 minute fair value gap and 5 minute order block. Not perfect order block, but still lines up. If it wants to be 2022 model, let's see if we made a trace. If not, then I'm going to miss this trade, unfortunately. I'm going to be disappointed with this if it wants to continue going down without me. Oh my god. But see, guys, I said I'm going to use 11:50 to 12:20 macro for lunch macro, and we started moving like at 12:20. That's interesting. exactly at 12:20. Okay, what time it is? 12:24. Okay, guys, I guess we can be done right here. I will stream tomorrow at like 9:10. I'm going to go live before market open. I'm going to tell you my pre-market plan, so what I want to trade. Kind of happy with my little trade right here. But once again, that's all I saw for a low disk sell right here. Not even this, but when I see, for example, the action from order block, even like conversion for a block is more risky trades and changes the state of anybody right here. Okay, guys, I'm going to stream tomorrow at 9:10, maybe at 9:15. We are going to stream until 12:20 again. I guess 12:20 because we want to trade lunch marker, and tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday usually delivers to final level. This means we can get expansion tomorrow with reversal. And if it wants to be a reversal, it's going to be TGIT level. So we are going to trade this. Yeah, guys, it was absolutely amazing live stream. So I will see you tomorrow. If any questions, guys, after the stream, you can ask me on Twitter, okay? I'm going to answer there. Or guys, by the way, if you want to ask like lots of questions, you can send me the list so we can actually cover this on live stream. So I hope it's going to be helpful for us because we can cover some educational content as well. Okay? If I'm going to trade PM, no, I'm not going to stream this. We will see then, okay? Okay, guys, see you tomorrow then. Bye-bye.